Hi, I'm Dr. Seema Rasheed and I'm an interventional pain doctor. I got into pain medicine because I understand that chronic pain can hold you back from so many different aspects of your life, from family time to your job, or even spending time with your kids. To be able to help people get back to these activities brings me joy and happiness. I like to take a personalized approach to provide patients with compassionate care, different interventional strategies to help bring you back to your most active way of life. I see people with chronic back pain, chronic neck pain, new injuries, any kind of elbow, shoulder pain, anything that's stopping you from living the life that you want to live. I like to spend time with my family. I like to work out myself. I like cooking and keeping up with my kids. So my name is Dr. Seema Rasheed, and you can find me at the Pearland Shadow Creek location with CLS Health.